No matter what it is that you put in your fridge that gives it an offensive smell, this neutralizes it. Hi family, and welcome back to the channel. How are you guys today? I hope you've had a nice day as I have. Okay guys, I'm quite happy to grace your screen once again. I just hope, sincerely hope you guys feel the same way. Okay guys, it's another series, and what I'm bringing to you today is somewhat different in the sense that it's a clean with me video. I know, right? I've not done this even when I actually, do clean my space, my kitchen, my pantry, refrigerator and all of that, but I have never brought any of these videos to you. So guys, just sit back and enjoy this series, because I just want to show you how, or the process I go through before my shopping, because it's the end of another month. It's the end of May, right? And then I do massive shopping haul at the end of the month. That's my phone buzzing. I'm gonna put it on silent soon. There are steps I take before that happens. For instance, I clear out my pantry. I check for things that are out of date or things I wouldn't be using again, and then I have to take it out, right? Next to that, I check my fridge for what's gone off, because some items we buy, like the cheese, not the cheese, the butter sometimes, but the cheese oftentimes it goes up after 1-2 weeks. So you just have to check the date to see hasn't gone off, and some other things like fruit, salad and all of that. Okay guys, so I've made it easy. That's why I don't think you guys can see the table and my countertop. I have virtually all of the things I removed from the fridge to make the video a bit faster. So the fridge is empty. Why I'm doing this bit today, just this bit, is because I still have some items in the freezer, and I just have to finish up all of this before I clean this bit out and then restock. But for now, or for today, it's just the fridge. So I'm going to show you guys how I basically clean mine and then not restock, because I'm not going shopping, definitely, but I'm going to pull back all of the things that were in the fridge back there and then get ready for shopping in the next 1 to 3 days. All right, let's do it. I'm going with a mild detergent. Is that the right word to use? I think it is anyway. I'm going with something mild because you obviously do not need something harsh, in your refrigerator. Next to that, I have fridge liners. I think I got this from Amazon. It doesn't come this way. You have to cut it up, right, in the sizes you actually want them to be, to reduce the stain, since it's glass. I'm not going to be doing much talking because I just want to get all of this over with, and then finish up and put everything back in there. So I don't make the video too long by talking and getting a bit distracted or excited with chatting with you guys. So just bear with me. So this is what the fridge looks like. So I'm all done. So I have my fresh meal here, the ones I just prepared for what, like a day or two. So I keep it here. This bit is for salad. I need to tilt this. The reason I don't buy so much of salad is because it goes off, I think, after a few days. And another reason is I don't like to stock up on salads, if I'm being honest. I just go across the street, get, fresh salad, we consume, and then when we've exhausted that, if we have to take it the next, if we have to take salad again the next day or the day after, we just go across, from the house to get it from the store. And then the last bit, the last cage here, I just use it to store my crayfish. I think I have crayfish, ogbono, and then a bit of dry pepper. That's the ones that are not in the freezer that I consume on daily basis. I prefer to leave here in the fridge. Okay guys, that's about it for today. All is done and dusted. All I need to do, I know you guys can see fingerprints on the surface, right? So all I need to do is to wipe the surface down. When I mean surface, I mean, this bit. So that's the only bit that is left for me to wipe down, and voila. Anyway guys, if you've liked today's video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do leave your comments down below. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, you just be considered to come, join this happy family. For those of you who have been on board from day one, and not just day one, for those of you who have been subscribed to this channel for quite a while, we can't love you less. I always say that, right? And that's because I am actually serious about it. We appreciate every one of you. As I'm talking to you guys, my eyes are going this way because I just realized that I didn't put what I went all out to get yesterday, the fridge neutralizer, or rather odor neutralizer. I've run out of this and I've been looking, for where to get it. I got it online, but I tell you what, the price I got it for online was double the price I saw it in, random stores. So I just need to store yesterday to the store I saw it, to get it. This neutralizes, it's called crock odor. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. It neutralizes the smell of your fridge. No matter what it is that you put in your fridge that gives it an offensive smell, this neutralizes it. Guys, trust me when I say that, because it's a product I've used over time, and I attest to it being nice. So all I'm going to do right now, because the video I've finished the video, like you guys know, so what I'm just going to do is to open it up and then to pop two in. You just need to remove the seal here. There's a silver seal. I don't know if you guys can see it, through these holes. There's a silver seal in here. I'll just remove the cap, remove the silver seal, and then just place two. I'm going to place one somewhere here, and then the next one will be probably somewhere here. So that's about it. So I'll get to see you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye. See you.